Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So for this time, we will be talking about our task 3. So our task is to determine whether the group is cyclic and the cyclic subgroup. So first, we must define how group G is considered a cyclic. So a group G is cyclic if there is some element A in G that generates G. An element A of a group G generates G and is a generator for G. So, for you to better understand, punta tayo sa una nating subgroup, which is identified or classified as improper subgroup or the group itself. So, our goal here is kapag nag-operate tayo, halimbawa ng isang element muna, is kaya niyang ma-generate yung from K to semicircle. So, makikita natin dito yung mga element. Nakita natin, nag-start tayo kay A kasi if we operate the identity element, it only generates itself. So, proceed tayo sa susunod, which is yung A. So, as we can see, A star A is R. Wait for you to better understand. So, A star A is R. So R na yan yung susunod natin dito. So, makikita natin, puro A lang. Kasi nga, sa A lang tayo nag-operate. Yan, hanggang dito. Yan, basta ganyan. Sa A lang tayo nag-operate. So, R star A is E. And, hanggang sa makarating tayo sa identity element. So, pagdating natin sa identity element, so, yung K star A is A. Makita natin dito, K star A is A. So, bumalik tayo sa una nating pag-generate. Ayan, andito siya, diba? So, stop na tayo dyan kasi kung pinagpatuloy pa natin siya, babalik lang tayo or uulit lang tayo. So, as you can see, for our first element A, hindi niya na-generate lahat. Kumbaga, ang na-generate lang niya is from K to 4. Hindi niya na-generate si crescent moon to semicircle. Therefore, A is not a generator. So, ganun ang paghanap ng generator. Kailangan, buong element doon sa set ay ma-generate niya. So, next tayo kay R. So, R star R is L. As we can see, nakarating na tayo dito kay identity element. So, pagdating ng K star R is R. So, stop na tayo dyan kasi nga, pabalik lang din tayo dito. So, as we can see, ilan lang ang na-generate niya. Kumbaga, 6 lang. Hindi niya na-generate lahat. Therefore, R is not also a generator. So, kumbaga, sunod-sunod to from K or A to semicircle. Kailangan niyang itry lahat yan para makita yung generator. So, proceed tayo kay E. Kung makikita natin kay E, 4 lang ang na-generate niya. Therefore, E is not also a generator of the group. So, let's proceed with the other element, the L. It is not also a generator kasi nga, 3 lang ang na-generate niya. Hindi niya na-generate lahat. So, for O, ganun din. Yung case natin kanina, from K to 4 lang ang na-generate niya, hindi niya na-generate yung mga symbol. Therefore, O is not also a generator. So, pagdating kay V, so V star V is K. Diba? K. Ayan, K. So, K star V is V. So, kapag V, dalawa lang ang na-generate niya, yung identity element at saka yung V, yung sarili niya. So, therefore, V is also not a generator. Proceed tayo kay 5. Again, case natin kay 5. From K to 4 lang ang na-generate niya. Wala yung symbol. Therefore, it is not also a generator. Kay 6, 3 lang. It is not also a generator. Kay 8, 4 lang. So, not a generator also. Kay 3 naman, kung makikita natin, 6 lang ang na-generate niya. Kung in-operate natin, puro kay 3. So, not a generator pa rin, hindi kasi kumpleto. So, lastly, 4. Kay 4 naman, ang na-generate lang niya ay yung from K to 4, wala rin yung symbol. So, now, proceed tayo doon sa mga symbol. So, pagdating sa mga symbol, halimbawa si crescent moon, star crescent moon, ang na-generate niya agad is yung identity element. So, kapag generate natin yung identity or inoperate natin ang identity element doon sa symbol, ay ma-generate niya yung sarili niya. So, babalik tayo ulit nun. So, kapag sa symbol, hindi generator ang symbol kasi nga, dalawa lang ang nag-generate niya. Yung sarili niya at yung identity element. So, therefore, since there is no generator, the group is not cyclic. For a group to be cyclic, there must be at least one generator. However, in this case, none exists. Kaya hindi itong improper subgroup na to ay not a cyclic group. So, let's proceed sa mga proper subgroup. So, meron tayong order 12 dito. Start tayo ulit kay A. Makikita natin kay A kung bibilangan natin yung results niya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, for A, na-generate niya yung buong set. Ganito yung generator. Kapag nag-operate tayo, diba, A star, A is R. Again, kung makikita natin dito, for A. So, A is a generator kasi nga, na-generate yung buong set. Dito kay R, not a generator again. As well as kay E and L kasi nga, hindi nila na-generate yung buo. Kay O, 5, na-generate niya yung buo. Pero si V, 6 and 8, hindi niya na-generate yung buong set. Therefore, dito, si O and 5 ay generator. So, kay 3, 6 lang ang na-generate niya. Kay 4, na-generate niya yung buo. So, hence, A, 0, 5, 4 are generators of the subgroup. So, therefore, this proper subgroup is a cyclic subgroup kasi nga, meron siyang generator. Diba? Sabi, kahit isang generator lang. Pero dito, 4. So, still, it is a cyclic subgroup. So, we're down to 8 elements. Kay E, V, and 8, hindi niya na-generate yung mga symbol. So, itong E, V, and 8 ay not a generator. So, pagdating kay symbol, sabi ko kanina, symbol ay dalawa lang ang mag-generate niya, yung sarili niya at saka yung identity element. So, therefore, there is no generator, kaya it is not a cyclic subgroup. Next one, same lang, meron tayong 4 element na nauna dito. KE, V8, again, hindi sila generator, and also we have here the symbols, not also a generator. Kaya, there is no generator for this subgroup, therefore, it is not a cyclic subgroup. Again, napalitan lang yung mga symbols, so again, this is not a cyclic subgroup since there is no generator for this set. And we're down to 6 elements or the order 6. As we can see, for R and 3, na-generate nila yung buong set. Pero si L, V, and 6, hindi nila na-generate yung buong set. Kaya, si R and E ang generator ng subgroup. Therefore, this proper subgroup is a cyclic subgroup. So, as we can see, meron tayong ulit symbol dito. Since symbol is not a generator, tingin na tayo dito sa mga letter. So, KL6 lang ang na-generate ng mga letters. Hindi niya na-generate yung mga symbol. So, yan. Makikita natin, there is no generator. Therefore, it is not a cyclic subgroup. Ganun pa rin, pinalitan lang yung tatlong symbol. Yung letter, hindi niya na-generate lahat. Yung symbol, hindi siya generator kapag marami siyang kasama. So, ayan. So, this set again, there is no generator. Therefore, it is not a cyclic subgroup. Again, napalitan ng symbol, kaya wala rin siyang generator, kaya hindi rin siya cyclic subgroup. ganun ulit, napalitan lang yung mga symbol. Diba? Si LN6, KL6 lang ang na-generate niya. Hindi niya na-generate ang quatrefoil, ang diamond, ang square. So, there is no generator, therefore, it is not a cyclic subgroup. So, we're done to order 4, no? So, si V star V is K, identity element. Si K and V, hindi niya na-generate yung dalawang symbol, yung crescent moon and star. So, sabi ko kanina, hindi magiging generator ang symbol kung marami pa siyang mga kasama. So, obviously, there is no generator, therefore, it is not a cyclic subgroup. So, ganun ulit, naulit lang ang K and V, symbol lang ang napapalitan. So, ang sagot pa rin dyan, there is no generator, therefore, it is not a cyclic subgroup. Napalitan lang ng cross and square, still walang generator, kaya still not a cyclic subgroup. And for this case also, there is no generator, kaya it is also not a cyclic subgroup. Okay, so for this set, kung makikita natin, puro numbers and elements lang siya, or letters. So, as we can see, si E and 8, na-generate niya yung 4. Para lang kay V. Dalawa lang ang nag-generate niya. So, hence, for this proper subgroup, E and 8 are the generators. Therefore, this proper subgroup is a cyclic subgroup. So, as we can see here, K, V, and dalawang symbol. Sabi ko kanina, ang symbol ay hindi generator. Kapag marami pa siyang kasama. So, K and V, ang V is not also generator since K and V lang ang na-generate niya. Hindi niya na-generate ang mga symbol. Kaya, therefore, this proper subgroup is not a cyclic subgroup. So, we're down to order 3, KL6. So, as we can see, L and 6 are generators of the subgroup since pareha naman nilang na-generate yung buong set. So, therefore, this proper subgroup is a cyclic subgroup. So, we're down to pairings. So, by 2s na tayo. So, for this case, ang mga na-partner kay identity element ay yun yung generator ng group. So, makikita natin, V star V is K and K star V is V. So, K and V nasa set, therefore, V is a generator of a subgroup. Kasi nga, hindi naman natin pwede pang i-operate si K kasi nga, itself lang niya ang na-generate niya. So, V ang generator for this, therefore, this proper subgroup is a cyclic subgroup. Same goes with the symbols. Yung mga symbol, siya yung generator for that set. Since halimbawa, crescent moon, star crescent moon is the identity element. So, balik tayo dito kay K. K star crescent moon is crescent moon. Therefore, si crescent moon ang generator for this case. So, it is a cyclic subgroup. Same goes with star, with ellipse, with quatrefoil, with trefoil, cross, diamond, heart, triangle, circle, square, and lastly, the semicircle sa mga symbol. So, by 2s, kapag by 2s, yung isang element yung magiging generator kasi hindi pa pwedeng maging generator si identity element. So, ngayon naman, let's proceed with our trivial subgroup, yung identity element. So, dito, cyclic subgroup na siya kasi nga, K, ang generate lang naman ng identity element ay yung sarili niya. Therefore, it is also a cyclic subgroup. So, ayan. I hope you learn something again sa video natin. Nalaman nyo kung paano maghanap ng generator and paano malalaman if yung group is cyclic and also the cyclic subgroup. So, see you again for our next task. Goodbye and thank you everyone.